Explore placing your ads in multiple nearby regions and locations to take advantage of less competitive traffic and increase viewers. If you live in a big city, there are sub-regions that you can place your ads in that are less competitive. By placing your ads in these less competitive areas, you increase viewership for a lower cost, and thus your profitability is likely to increase for the campaign. You can also target nearby towns that may be receiving high-quality, motivated traffic that barely have any postings as well. Take a look at this example. In the entire city of Toronto, we have a little over 1.3 million postings, but in the sub-regions, like in the city of Toronto, it's about 600,000. In Markham, York region, it's about 200,000. In Mississauga and Peel, it's about 300,000, etc. And then when we extend that and look at the particular buy and sell categories, it's a little over 400,000 for City of Toronto, a little under 200,000 for Markham, and a little over 200,000 for Mississauga. So if we were to put our ad in each one of these subregions, now we've increased the chances of people seeing our ads by 3 times, and those regions might be less competitive, so we're paying less for that traffic. So be sure to give it a try.